Panda's weather hurricane. Hi, I'm Kiki. This type of weather is called hurricane. Let's get to know it. Tap on the icon to learn more about the dangers of during a hurricane. The gale will blow down trees on the street. Gale during a hurricane, storms often causes flooding, which can submerge fields and houses. During a hurricane, storm surges can easily wash away boats. These big waves can also wash away people on the shore, so never walk along the shore during a hurricane. Next, the blue alert means that walking outside can be difficult. The yellow alert means that the wind can stop you walking forward and branches can be blown off. The orange alert means that you will be blown away if you go outside and the window may be shattered by winds. The red alert means that big trees will blow down and even cars can be blown away. My dears, stay safe at home and don't go outside during a hurricane. Daddy, the hurricane is coming. What shall we do?
Don't be scared. Let's prepare for the hurricane together.
Flames are dangerous during a hurricane, so turn the stove off quickly. Find these emergency supplies. Cookies. First aid kit. It is not what we are looking for. Radio. Blanket. Don't forget, you also need to find these things. Flashlight. Water. Towel. Standby batteries. The emergency kit is ready. Close the window quickly. Tape the window. Tape a double X shape to prevent the window from being shattered by gale.
Okay, let's go upstairs and check it out. Bring in the clothes quickly.
The clothes are all inside.
Put the flower pot in the corresponding tray. Great! This way, the flower pots won't fall.
Close the door. Tape the door. tape every door and window for peace of mind. Okay, it's all done. The hurricane landed. Prepared. We won't be scared. Tape reinforces doors and windows. Stay with your family and don't run about.
Mew Mew, the hurricane is gone, and we're safe now.
Yay! Great! Good habits. Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love brushing teeth.
Dear sister, come brush your teeth and wash your face. Be sure to brush your teeth carefully. Don't forget to spit out the dirty mouthwash. Good job! JoJo, now it's your turn to brush your teeth and wash your face. JoJo, be sure to clean your teeth like your brother and sister. Rinse your mouth and spit out the mouthwash. Yay! Your teeth are so clean.
Let's do it with JoJo!
It's important for your baby to wash up after waking up and before bedtime. You can choose the toothbrush and towel with lovely designs, or sweet-flavored toothpaste for kids to help your baby enjoy brushing teeth and washing face.
Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love eating.
JoJo, have a good meal so you can get taller quickly.
Well, JoJo has no appetite. I don't want to eat. Huh?
Look, JoJo, these are what food elves turn into. Food elves are quite awesome.
Wow! Little elves! Little elves!
Go check it out with Mommy.
I am beef. I can make you stronger. Please help me turn into delicious beef dumplings. Hello, Mr. Doe. I would like to invite you to turn into beef dumplings together. Sure. Would love to help. Hello. We want to turn into beef dumplings.
would you like to join us?
Whoa! It's so much fun! We would like to join you.
The small does are gonna have some nutrition. Great! You've made a nice-looking dumpling. Let's do it with JoJo!
It's time to eat.